This is Ian from In 30 Minutes Guides, and I've been a Twitter user for more than 15 years. Twitter is now called X, and today I'm going to be talking about tips to find the official account for a well-known person on X in 2024. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video, and let's get started. So one thing I want to say before I get started on this is it's gotten much more difficult to actually find official accounts for people on X, and there's a couple reasons for it. I'm not going to get deep into it, but basically one thing that I've noticed is if you search for somebody, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be searching for a well-known public figure near where I live. So I'm going to be searching for the mayor of Boston, and let's say that I don't remember this person's name, the mayor's name, so I'm just going to say mayor of Boston. And so all of these accounts start popping up here. Some of them are accounts that are associated with the mayor of Boston. Other accounts are fake, and other accounts can be very deceptive because they have a blue check mark, but the blue check marks are just paid by somebody. It doesn't mean they're official. One thing I want to point out to you, it says Boston Mayor 2014 or not Boston Mayor. These are not really official accounts at all, and you have to be really careful about clicking on something that might be outdated or might be unofficial or might be a parody account or something like that. So for this reason, sometimes finding an official account like the Mayor of Boston on Twitter's own search engine is really not that good. The best way to find an official account of somebody is actually to go to their official webpage. So here is the mayor's office, and this is the mayor, Michelle Wu. And one thing I've noticed on practically all public people's web pages, whether they're a celebrity or a famous person, you'll see a list of links down here that point to different social media accounts. Now, one thing here, you'll notice there's actually no Twitter or no X icon here. I don't know why that is, but there's nothing there. This is Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and this is Flickr. Sometimes at the you'll see it at the bottom of the screen, but I don't even see it there. There's a lot of other stuff, but nothing about the X account, the official X account for the mayor. So then if you still can't find it, the way to do it, the way that I use, is to just use Google. And so what I'll say is official X account Mayor Wu, Boston. Now, this is not a perfect way to find it either, because sometimes the wrong results will show up at the top of Google. That's actually pretty common because Google has gotten worse over time. But in this case, this says Mayor Michelle Wu of Boston. So let's click on it and see what it says. Now, there's nothing that indicates that this is really an official account. It could be fake, but the reason why I'm thinking it's probably real is, for one thing, the posts, they look legitimate. They don't look like they're mixed up with other scammy stuff. The other thing is the mayor's account. It has it's not a combination of numbers or other weird characters or underscores. This looks like this is the real one. And if I wanted to follow it, I could just click on that. But basically, that's how I find people on Twitter, that if they're well known, or find people on X. And basically that you can use you can use these methods too. The way that I would always advise to start is to go to the official website of the person and then look for the Twitter for the X or for the Twitter icon. And if you can't find it, then use Google. And then finally, you can just use X's own search capabilities. But as I said before, there's a lot of flaws with it. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it or subscribe. And for more information, click on the links in the show notes. Thank you so much for watching.